Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the My News by Topic function on the BBC News application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the first option, the settings section. And in the general section you can find the My News by Topic button and just click to the white square icon. And now this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.